Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your Xbox app is not launching in your Windows machine. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and repair and reset the Xbox app and gaming services on your computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on these settings, you will have to click on apps. And then on the right hand side, you will have to go ahead and click on installed apps. Once you're on the installed apps section, this will give you the list of programs which are currently installed on your computer. In this list, you will have to locate for gaming services. It would be in alphabetical order. Once you locate gaming services, you may click on the three dotted lines on the right hand side and then click on advanced option. In this list, you may go ahead and click on terminate so that you can end the gaming services on your computer. Once this is done, you may click on repair. Wait until the repair is complete. It will take about 10 to 20 seconds depending on the speed of the computer. Once the repair is complete, you may click on reset and then click on reset again. Once the reset is completed, the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and repair or reset the Xbox app. Now during this process, just in case if you get any error message while you are doing a reset, you may go ahead and restart your computer and follow the same step. Now to repair or reset Xbox app, you will have to click on the installed apps again. In this list, you will have to scroll down to the extreme bottom to locate Xbox app on your computer. You will have to click on the three dotted lines and then click on advanced option. In this list, you will have to locate for terminate, click on terminate, click on repair to repair your Xbox app. Once this is done, you may go ahead and click on reset. This will take about 10 to 20 seconds, just like the gaming services. Wait until the reset is complete. Once the reset is complete, you may close this window, restart your computer, and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and update via Microsoft Store. To do this, you will have to open Microsoft Store on your computer. Once you have the Microsoft Store open, you will have to click on downloads. Under downloads, you may go ahead and check if there are any updates available for the Xbox app. So you may go ahead and locate the Xbox app here and then click on update. Wait for the update to be completed. In case if there are any other Xbox list here, you may also go ahead and update those Xbox app through Microsoft Store. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer, and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and reinstall the gaming services via PowerShell. Now if basic repairs fail, a clean installation of gaming services will resolve this issue. To do this, you will have to open PowerShell on your computer. In the search window, you may go ahead and type PowerShell. You will see the best match for the Windows PowerShell. You can do a right click and then click on Run as Administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on Yes or Continue on the screen. Once you have the PowerShell open, you will have to copy the command from the video description and do a right click to paste the command and hit enter to execute this command. Wait until this command is being successfully executed. Once this command is being successfully executed, you may close this window, restart your computer, and then try to open Xbox app. A blue banner will prompt you to install the required components. So in this process, you may go ahead and install it. Once the components are successfully installed, you may try to open Xbox app and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and reinstall the Xbox app on your computer. If the app remains unresponsive, perform a clean reinstall. Now to do this, you will have to open settings. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. In this, you will have to click on apps, and then on the right hand side you will see an option which says installed apps. Once you click on installed apps, you will see the list of applications which are currently installed on the computer. You will have to scroll down to the extreme bottom and then locate for Xbox. Click on three dotted lines and then click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall again. Wait for the Xbox app to completely uninstall from the computer. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, you may try to open Microsoft Store to reinstall Xbox app. So you can go to the Microsoft Store. Once you open Microsoft Store, you may go ahead and locate for Xbox app. Click on Xbox app and it would give you an option to get or to install this app. Click on install. This will go ahead and reinstall the Xbox app on your computer. Wait for the installation to be completed. Now it might take about 2 to 3 minutes depending on the speed of the internet and the speed of the computer. Once the Xbox app has been successfully installed on the computer, you may close this window and then try to launch Xbox app, and that should fix the problem. So all this steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.